With the Fold 4, I also ordered the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I came back to the Galaxy Buds after a long time. The primary reason for me to pick up the Buds 2 Pro was the number of improvements Samsung apparently made this year. I have the Buds 2 Pro in the graphite color. The box brings some documentation, a data cable with the extra ear tips, and then we have the buds. The case of the Buds 2 Pro has a soft matte finish. It seems like it has some shock resistance in it. It's good to see Samsung moving away from that pure shiny plastic build. I don't know when this changed, but I really like this soft and matte build of the Buds 2 Pro. Inside the case you can see the Sound by AKG stamp, and here are the buds. The shape of the buds has changed a bit too this year for better ear fit. Buds 2 Pro look beautiful and I'm excited to check these out. By the way, I paid around USD 150 for these Buds 2 Pro and I'm now going to pair these with my Galaxy Fold 4. The best thing about Samsung's own earbuds is the seamless connectivity. You literally don't have to do anything. Just bring your earbuds near the phone for the first time and the phone will automatically detect the buds. After downloading the firmware, the buds pair successfully and you have the complete control of the buds in the Galaxy Gear or the Galaxy Wearable application on your phone. In the application, we have the Buds 2 Pro and then the case's battery life on the top. After this, we have the active noise cancellation controls. For this, you need to wear the buds. We have some options underneath like the voice detect, 360 audio and touch controls. Touch controls have some really nice gestures. I will talk about these in the Buds 2 Pro tips and tricks video. In the earbud settings, we have the equalizer, earbud fit test, the notification sound alarm, Bixby integration, in-ear detection for the calls, neck stretch reminders, and we have some experimental features in the labs for the Buds 2 Pro. We do have some good accessibility options too. So along with the better sound output, the Buds 2 Pro also try not to fiddle with your health with the features like the neck stretch reminder. When I tested the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro finally after the complete setup, I was amazed by the sound quality and the active noise cancellation. It's hard not to say that Samsung has improved the buds enormously this year. I still think there is a room for improvement. That bass coming out of these needs to be improved a little bit, but then you have thousands of ways to improve the sound output manually as well. So I check that when I test the Buds 2 Pro further. As far as the battery life of these buds is concerned, the case has a battery capacity of 500 mAh and the buds have 58 mAh battery, and the play time depends on the active noise cancellation. With the ANC turned on, you can get about 5 hours of continuous playback, and with the ANC turned off, you will get about 8 hours of playback. Buds 2 Pro are IPX7 rated for water resistance. Now this is also an upgrade compared to the IPX2 rating of the Buds 2 and the Buds Live. The Bluetooth version of the Buds 2 Pro is 5.3. So in a nutshell, the Buds 2 Pro are a big upgrade in terms of both the hardware and their software features. For now, I am testing these further and working on the tips and tricks video along with the final review of the Buds 2 Pro. Let me know, what do you guys think about the Buds 2 Pro? Would you be interested in picking these up? If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and help me reach 100k subscribers, and also do hit that like button as well. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.